Hi everyone, so this is my new replacement instead of the white one. So it's an FJCW, as you can see, in the black and red combo. Yeah. Right, so it's a stage 1 manic map, so it sounds pretty good and it goes really well. I haven't had it rolling roaded, so I don't know what power it is yet. I might consider getting a front mount on this one because it does make a huge difference on these. So I might have a trip to Lauren and get it stage 2, and then we can actually see what power it's running. So this one I've gone with bowler bead hands. I wasn't really sure because they were red, but I think they go quite well with the roof and the mirrors and stuff. And Kenzie kind of said, oh yeah, they look good. So product wise on this, I've used the carbon fibre light surrounds for the front and rear, LCI side scuttles with a gloss black, matte black belt line. I have gone with gloss black handles on this one. I'm not sure whether to change them to carbon yet, as I have got a few carbon bits on it. So I have got carbon fibre petrol cap. So this one is a genuine one, but I weren't sure whether to do the handles as well the same. So these are the rear ones. They are just covers though, they're not replacements, so they just stick over your existing ones. I have gone with the F56 badges on this one. I know we really should use our own badges on it, but I just kind of want it to be different, so we've gone with them. So this one does have a GP2 diffuser on it. On my last one it had the challenge diffuser, which was more like of an aggressive look. This one's kind of a bit OEM, but I'm yet to decide whether I keep it or not, dependent on what wing I get to go with it. Right, this one's got the GP2 Recaros in it. Obviously these kind of did draw me to the car. It does have the scan gauge inside as well, which kind of helps. It shows your engine temp and pretty much everything.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
What mods are you running then on it, engine-wise?
So it's got stage 1 manic map, Scorpion downpipe, I think GFB, DV, like that diverter valve, NGK spark plugs. So basically it just needs a front mount and a stage 2
after being in both, it seems to pull a lot harder.
Just trying to think, it boosts at like, I think it's 20 psi, which the other one was only about 17, I think. And I'm like, nah, there's not really any pictures.
So it should pop a bit more now.
I didn't even realise I weren't even in sport. It's because we turned it off.